Various studies and research show that distraction can reduce productivity by up to 40%, and it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to get back to a task after being distracted. It impairs your cognitive performance, disrupting working memory and problem-solving abilities. Beyond productivity, constant distraction leads to increased stress, anxiety, job dissatisfaction, and burnout. Academically, students who frequently use digital devices see a decline in grades and retention. By managing this one thing, you can drastically increase your chances of success in life. Distractions have many more consequences, but after following the proven practical steps which I am going to share with you in this video, you will be able to handle them easily. Before we get into the practical steps, it is important to understand the root cause of distraction. Many people blame external triggers for the root cause of distraction. Phones, social media, the internet, gaming. While it is true that these external triggers can cause distraction, they are not the root cause. The root cause of distraction is internal triggers. We humans have a tendency to avoid pain and discomfort. When we feel pain or discomfort, whether physical or mental, we change our state, which is called distraction. For example, when we encounter a tough question, we want to take a break. When we feel bored, we start playing games or checking social media. If we are stressed, we feel hungry and want to eat something. In reality, we unconsciously want to escape pain and discomfort, which is human behavior, and we will do anything to achieve it. When the intensity of internal triggers increases, we feel an urge to change our state, leading us to shift our focus to another task. However, if we become conscious of this urge and focus on it, it will come and go. This practice is called urge surfing by psychologists. Remember, we can control distraction by controlling our internal triggers. These step-by-step practical tips are designed to help you deal with internal and external triggers, allowing you to achieve your full potential without being distracted. Set clear and specific goals. Clearly defined goals help direct focus and effort. According to goal setting theory, clarity and challenge in goals can improve performance and commitment. Break down larger goals into smaller tasks. Larger goals can seem difficult, causing you to lose motivation before even starting. Breaking them into smaller tasks makes it easier to tackle one step at a time, keeping you motivated to complete the larger goals. Create a distraction-free environment. Designated specific times and places for focused work, and minimize exposure to potential distraction. Identify when you feel most productive. Turn off notifications and inform friends and family not to disturb you during these times. Keep a water bottle handy to stay hydrated. Set a timer and start working. Once you have small tasks and a controlled environment, it's time to jump into the work. Set a timer for 25, 45 or more minutes based on your ability to stay focused on a single task. If you feel the need for a break, set a 7-minute timer. During this time, you can close your eyes and take a deep breath or take a short walk. When the timer ends, return to your work and set another timer to continue. Repeat this cycle as needed. The timer plays a crucial role in maintaining awareness of your focus and break times. By following these tips constantly, you will build self-discipline and achieve deep focus on any task. Understanding and managing these internal triggers is key to overcoming distraction. So, set clear and specific goals. Break down larger goals into smaller tasks. Create a distraction-free environment. Set a timer and start working. Using a timer to maintain focus and take structured breaks. Building self-discipline and deep focus. By applying these practical steps, you can effectively manage distractions, enhance your productivity, and achieve your full potential. Stay mindful of your internal triggers. Create a supportive environment for focused work and break your goals into manageable tasks. My mission is to help people like you reach your full potential. If you want to join this mission, show some love by liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for your precious time.